Movie night in the basement. It's not that bad.
I can't feel my toes. Ugh, it feels like a cave down here.
There's a better way. Concrete might look solid, but it's porous. It holds moisture and it transfers cold straight through your finished floors. So when you install flooring directly on concrete, you're building on a surface that's naturally damp and cold.
So concrete's the problem.
Concrete's just doing what concrete does. DRICORE creates a raised subfloor between your concrete slab and your finished flooring. DRICORE's air gap technology allows moisture to evaporate and air to circulate, helping protect against mold and mildew. It also creates a thermal break, so your floors feel noticeably warmer. Engineered with a tongue and groove design, DRICORE panels work with almost any finished flooring. From carpet and laminate to vinyl plank. Lightweight and easy to install, most rooms can be completed in just half a day.
Half a day? I can do this. Okay, this is much better.
And I can feel my toes again.
For a basement that feels like home, it all starts with the right foundation. DRICORE lets you focus on movie night, not how cold your basement is. DRICORE offers a full range of solutions, from concrete repair, subfloors, underlayments, and interior and exterior wall systems that make any project fast and easy. And for your next build, try the new DRICORE Exterior Continuous Insulation Sheeting. Don't build without it. Learn more at DRICORE.com.